Hello, welcome back guys to Amelia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to log out from Microsoft Outlook app on Android. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first here, of course you just have to open your Outlook apps. And if you want to sign out, you just have to go to your icon account at the top left in the corner of your phone like this. Now go ahead and tap on it. And after, at the bottom, we'll see the option which is gear icon, I guess. Tap on it. This is the settings icon. And after, again and again, you just have to scroll it down until we'll find here the accounts options. Tap on it. Now, we just have to go ahead to your account. And if you want to sign out, you just have to scroll it down again until we'll find here the option which is remove account, I guess. And for the remove account, it's not actually delete it or remove your account permanently, but it's only remove it from the application, or it's only to log out it. So I'm gonna tap on remove account. Now tap on remove again. And if you wanna open again your Microsoft Outlook account, you just have to log in first. So yeah, I think it's enough. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.